Welcome to week 3, session 1. This is going to go from July 1st to July 3rd. We have a couple different readings this week, one chapter in Wiles and 2 sections in the Schwartz book. Also, there's going to be the first research paper completed by July 3rd. And this research paper is focused on curriculum development. So you're going to describe the main components of an effective curriculum and what makes up this curriculum. And now, as I work with educators, there's always questions on the difference between pacing guides, scope and sequences, curriculum maps, and things like that. So you want to focus on what the different parts are and how they work together to provide effective curriculum. Also, talk about how curriculum is developed, implemented, and reviewed in your district, and then how it could be improved upon or what the ideal process would be. Also, who should be involved in this process of curriculum development. As you'll see in the final project, it talks about internal publics, those stakeholders that work within the school system, and then the external publics, those in the community members, those in the community and parents and things like that, and even government officials or even the state. So, and then lastly, talk about data and how data is used to monitor and review the effectiveness and implementation of the curriculum. So that's the research paper that is due. And then we have a few different questions, one from Wiles, one from Schwartz, and then explore the future of assessments. That's kind of a big topic nowadays with SBAC and the Common Core kind of on the chopping block in some of the states. Also, just a couple other quick notes. The final project, as you're working on that, you're going to be focusing on basically the ideal of what is about curriculum, not about what's going on in your district. You could talk about what's going on in your district, what's going good, what's going bad. But if you talk about the weak areas of the district, you want to talk about how that could be improved on. So it's kind of the ideal of curriculum, the curriculum development, the curriculum process, who's involved, etc. So if you have any questions about that, I've had a couple questions about that. Also, the first paper of the article or book chapter analysis, most of those papers should be graded by the end of today, Saturday the 29th. And each one of the papers, you'll have comments throughout the paper. So as you get those, if for some reason you can't access the paper or the comments that I've put in there, please let me know because there are comments in there. And it would be good if you had that feedback. So I hope everyone is enjoying their summer and hopefully you have an enjoyable 4th.